Welcome to the Banker Lamp. Please enjoy the video.
You begin by opening Windows Security so the tool actually runs. Type Windows Security in Start and press Enter. Once the app opens, go straight to Virus and Threat Protection and confirm the last scan time so you know if a fresh scan is needed. Make sure your laptop is plugged in and online for definition updates. This helps Defender detect recent threats. Now choose Quick Scan to start scanning core areas immediately and listen for the scan progress cues. Once done with the initial check, click Scan Options to decide how deep you want to go, Quick for speed, Full for a thorough inspection, or Custom to target folders. If you choose Full Scan, know it can take many minutes to hours depending on disk size. Let it run without interrupting. Before running a full scan, click Check for updates so Defender uses the latest virus definitions. If you pick Custom, point to the exact folder and press Scan Now to begin. After the scan finishes, open the scan history to see any detections and the recommended actions. Defender will usually suggest remove or quarantine. You should only allow an item if you are certain it's safe, because that bypasses protection. If the scan reports errors or stops, restart your PC and install pending Windows updates, then rerun the scan. This resolves most issues. As one troubleshooting tip, run the Windows Security Troubleshooter or SFC/Scano if Defender still misbehaves.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.